Hello, today we're going to change the heater valve on a 2007 Honda Accord. You can see it is leaking. The heater valve is leaking. I'm going to replace that. Alright, we're going to disconnect the heater control valve. Take a screwdriver, pop it up over here. Once it's heater popped up, you can lift out the cable. And take the cable off. And disconnect the cable. We're going to remove this 10mm bolt. So we'll pull that bracket out. Got the 10mm bolt, don't drop it. And now we got the bracket loose. Got the bracket loose that's holding the valve. Now we just gotta take off the clamps, the hose clamps. Using a hose clamp tool. They'll pinch the clamps. They'll pinch the clamps to keep them closed. Got that one removed. Got that one slid back right there. I'm gonna get the other side. I'll pop it free from this little clamp. Little clamp holds the two hoses together. Just remove that so we can slide the hose clamp back a little bit further. It's tight, hard to see. But we'll be able to slide that clamp back a little bit more. Hose clamps slid back. Got the hose clamps slid back. Now we're gonna pull the hoses off the valve. You'll get some fluid to drain out. So it looks like the problem is the valve cracked here, so the leak was coming right there on that end. Got a new one from AutoZone. It's a 4 Seasons. It's a new valve. If your screws are rusted in like mine, put a spray them with PB Blaster. And put a screwdriver on the screw and then hit it with a hammer. And just hit it with a hammer and break that screw free. So now you can see, got it loose now. Hit the screw with a hammer, got it free. Alright, we finally broke the second one free after the PB Blaster settled in. We finally got the second screw free. We got it free. Get the old valve out. It's gonna be sitting in the car like this. This is the firewall back here. So if you take off the bracket, you can see the arrows pointing in that direction. So you're gonna have it go on like that. And the aftermarket one has screws on it. I'm gonna use the new screws. Just install it like that. Looking at the new valve, arrows pointing to the left. The bracket will attach to the firewall. Valve pointing to the left. So put the put it back in the car. So slide the hose back on. One hose. Alright, both hoses are flush up against the side of the valve. Got the other clamp flush. Tighten down the bracket, put a 10mm bolt. Lift up this clamp. Slide the cable on this. Slide the cable on. Clamp it back down. Heater control valve installed. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, give it a like and let me know in the comments below.